Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-DN-hours-W. And it is a 2.3-inch high LED, counts down by hours, and then once you get below an hour it shifts over to minutes and seconds, and then seconds, tenths, hundredths. So it does have the shift digit technology. It is a wireless machine maintenance timer. So you're going to set it up for the number of hours that the machine's going to run or needs to run before you maintenance it. And when it gets down to the zero, it's going to flash. So right now I was just going to demonstrate. This is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless RF radio, so you don't have to point it at it, but you got to be within 150 feet of it. And it has a belt clip and 9-volt battery that you replace every year or two. And so I'm just going to go ahead and set the hours. And setting the hours, it ramps up. So if you just if you want to go 1 through, I think it's 12 or 10, something like that, it starts to speed up after 10. And then when it gets to another number like 30, it speeds up even faster. So I'll hit the set hours button again, and that stops it. And then I can subtract if I want. I can add more if I want, but it speeds up after you get to 10. So I'm going to go ahead and push start, stop. And as you can see, it counts down the and by hours. And then this flashes down here, this lower right-hand decimal point, indicating that it's on, it's working, it's counting. It's counting the time. I want to stop it. I can reset the last value, so you can continue. If you put this on one machine, obviously all you have to do is hit reset the last value. Zero it, and but when it gets down to zero, the display flashes. I'm not going to keep you on here for an hour to demonstrate that, but it flashes the display telling you, hey, it's time for maintaining the machine. Grease it, or check the bearings, or check tolerances, or whatnot. So this can be mounted on a 4-square or handy box. There's knockouts for those. We do have magnet mounts. If you want to hang it onto something that's metallic, we do have mounts for that. But this is all aluminum. This enclosure is all aluminum, so very durable, industrial timer. Very gives you a lot of awareness. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital. This is a DC-25T-DN-hours-W. Thank you.